So, welcome back to the channel. I'm a little upset because I don't know what happened to the first part of this cooking video. Apparently, when I was prepping it, I either didn't hit record or I accidentally deleted it off of my GoPro. I have no idea. So real quick, the cabbage, sausage, and shrimp on the flat top, you're going to see that. But how to make it, if you want to know, get you a cabbage, an onion, cut it all up, put it in a bowl with some olive oil and your seasonings, mix it up, put it in the fridge. Then you take your meat, whatever meat you want. Now, if you do sausage or kielbasa, it's salty already. So you chop your shrimp up and your kielbasa or sausage, put it in a bowl. Just a very light drop of olive oil. Put garlic and pepper. I put no salt because kielbasa is salty. Mix that all up. Put both bowls in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. And now you guys will see how the rest of it goes. Sorry, you guys. I don't know what the hell happened to it. I was just having a day. Alright, you guys. Everything's been sitting in the fridge and seasoned and marinated for a couple hours. So let's go and get this stuff on the grill here. I have the shrimp and sausage. This side of the grill I have on medium-low. You can hear me. I have this side here where the meat's going to be on medium-low. This is the shrimp and the kielbasa. Put that on there. Over on this side is on low. And that is our cabbage and onion. And we're going to kind of just spread that out all over here. We're going to let it cook for a few minutes on this side, and then we'll flip everything over and just kind of repeat the process until we slide it all together in one thing. Okay, so I took the shrimp out because the shrimp are already cooked. I just wanted to, heat them up and get a little bit of this flavor on there, but I want these sausage kielbasa things to cook longer and get crispy on the sides and stuff like that. We're gonna flip this cabbage here, the cabbage and onion. It smells so good, y'all. I wish y'all could smell it. So this cabbage is gonna take a little longer, and once the cabbage is done, or almost done, and the sausage is browner, like crispier like I want it, then we'll put the shrimp back on and get all this mixed together. So that's where we're at right now. Looks yummy. Smells yummy. Okay, so the kielbasa is where we like it. We like with a little crisp on the edges there, and this cabbage is done for the most part how we like it. So now I'm just going to kind of slide all this over here. Shut this one off and this one off. And we're just going to mix that up together a little bit. But you can't forget to add our shrimp back in. Oh man, that looks delish. Runaway shrimp over here. I'm just going to mix it together. Woo. Let me tell y'all, it was hot. It's like, I think 95. I think it's 101 with the heat index. It's hot, y'all. And I'm standing above this hot ass flat top, but I'll tell you what, ain't nothing like a home cooked meal. We're going to spread that out a little bit. Let all these flavors marinate for maybe 5 minutes, and then we will take it all off and let it rest in the house before we enjoy it. Look at that, y'all. Don't that look great? Yeah, it smells so good too.